104 species in genus Armeria. December 1st. Armeria, the thrift plant, defines December 1st. Armeria symbolizes resilience and endurance. Like this hardy flower, you withstand the tests of time and weather, always emerging stronger. Your determination and beauty shine even in challenging situations. Armeria, a love affair with the sea pink. My name is Ferb Vu, and I have a confession. I'm utterly captivated by a genus of flowering plants that many might overlook. Armeria from the Plumbaginaceae family. These hardy little blossoms, often called thrift, sea pink, or lady's cushion, possess a quiet charm that has completely won me over. Their resilience, their understated beauty, and their connection to the rugged coastlines of the world make them a constant source of fascination for me. Why Armeria? What is it about Armeria that so enthralls me? Perhaps it's their tenacity. These plants thrive in harsh conditions, clinging to cliffs and sandy dunes, braving salty winds and relentless sun. They're survivors, a testament to the enduring power of nature. Or maybe it's their unassuming elegance. Armeria flowers aren't flashy or flamboyant. They bloom in tight, globe-shaped clusters atop slender stems, like miniature bouquets held aloft. Their colors are often soft and subtle, pale pinks, lavenders, and whites, creating a soothing, almost melancholic beauty. But more than anything, I think I'm drawn to their connection to the sea. Many Armeria species, like the iconic Armeria marittima, are coastal plants. They paint the edges of the world with their delicate hues, their presence a reminder of the constant push and pull between land and ocean. Whenever I see them, I'm transported to windswept shores, where the air is thick with salt and the sound of crashing waves. A diverse family. The Armeria genus is surprisingly diverse, boasting over 100 species. While they share certain characteristics, the grassy leaves, the rounded flower heads, the preference for well-drained soil, each species has its own unique charm. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Cultivating beauty. One of the joys of my fascination with Armeria is that I can cultivate these beautiful plants in my own garden. They're relatively low maintenance, requiring well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight. They're also drought-tolerant, making them ideal for xeriscaping. Whether planted in rock gardens, borders, or containers, Armeria adds a touch of wild beauty to any space. A lifelong passion. My journey with Armeria is far from over. I'm constantly learning more about these fascinating plants, discovering new species, and experimenting with different cultivation techniques. They're a constant source of inspiration, reminding me of the beauty and resilience of the natural world. And who knows, maybe one day I'll even discover a new species of Armeria myself. That would truly be the pinnacle of my botanical passion.